Why is there litter all the way up here? Been doing this for what, like 3-4 years? I started off with a shovel and a bucket. I love doing it, it's like the best day of the week. I hate it when people just throw things away and never like put it in the bin. It just makes you so angry. It's surprising how much litter you get.
Well, that's just after an hour this morning, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm a man of the village.
Man of the village. They thank you, don't they?
Yeah.
A lot of them say thank you.
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
I feel like I'm making quite a big difference. I just like being out and about doing jobs.
Yeah.
I prefer it than going to school.
George has ADHD, autism, and he's also got tics. Unfortunately, George's mental health and his anxiety has got really, really bad. His love for the environment and making others happy has really helped him. So on a Thursday, he calls it his Grandpa Day.
Yeah.
And within reason, he's allowed to do what he wants. And this is what he chose to do. Knowing that you're happy makes me happy.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of you for doing it.
We've got these gifts to give you.
Thanks.
And there's a badge for you there.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I like that.
All right.
Thanks. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, thanks.
You all right? You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, this is the best. Thank you so much.
Put the medal on you.
South Gloucestershire Council delivering for you, the boss.
Yeah.
Best day ever.